That technology is something that was only imagined in the 1980s. Not even the president had that sort of stuff. And now we have the entire world's information at our fingertips. We can see anything. We can learn anything. It's with the snap of a finger. And so it makes sense that these amazing tools are being used in therapy as well. And research shows that video therapy, online therapy, is just as effective as in-person therapy. And the beautiful part of using these technologies is that it opens up therapy to places that simply don't have it. We're talking about small towns, in rural areas. We're talking about, places that maybe you have one therapist, but you definitely have more than one client. How can that one therapist help everybody that are in that city? So this technology, it opens up help to so many people, and it gives so many new options for resources that just didn't exist before. And for me in my work, it's been wonderful being able to get to know people from different countries, whether people from England, Canada, the United States, Australia. Being able to travel the world, and meet new people, as though they're right there in the room with you when they're hundreds, if not thousands, of miles away. Therapy works, and it even works online.